very unusual non-human person taught me about biodiversity. She showed me the web of life that threads through the great African sea forest. I came to know that everything is tied to everything else. If Mother Nature was in the world's boardroom, what would she say?
Do I have a seat at this table? I am, after all, the biggest shareholder. I ask all of you directors to see clean rivers as the veins in your bodies, oceans as the air that you breathe, and our beautiful landscapes as tapestries of hope. How do you propose to have a sustainable economic plan without a real biodiversity plan? You cannot keep drawing down on me without getting into debt. A debt that threatens all life.